Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. Today we are making a wooden butter knife. This is a project I've been wanting to do for a while, a really simple thing, not quite sharp enough you can cut your hairs, but we'll give it a shot. So let's dive in and take a look at it. Rather than using Damascus steel, I'm going to use red oak. I know, red oak, of course, of all the things. Why red oak? Well, because I had it on hand, and it was a nice piece of straight-grained wood, and that's really the most important thing. You want something that has a really nice straight grain running all the way through the length of the knife. This will make it much easier to carve without problem of it breaking off and splintering on you. So this was about the right thickness, about the right size, and I was like, yeah, there we go. We're going to make it out of red oak rather than white oak. So let's start working on this piece. Carving it to what we want, shaping it to something that is pleasing, and having a little bit of fun along the way. Being a crew. Do some final work. spoiled linseed oil. So there you have it, a really simple project with a spoke shave and a couple files you can most of the time do in 30-40 minutes. It's a fun little toy that you can give to your kids, or you can use it around the kitchen. Butterknife or a letter opener or something of that nature. Have a little bit of fun, make whatever shape you want. I was thinking about originally putting a bolster on there or something of that nature, but I kind of like it without. I don't know, maybe I'll do another one in the future. We'll see about that. So I hope you like this video. If you'd like to find out more, I have an entire video going into the how-to, a little bit more detail, and talking about what I was thinking and why I did certain things the way I was doing them. That's on the second channel, Wood by Wright 2. I'll leave a link to that down below and up in the cards. If you want to see that, I'd love to hear your opinions on there. So that's about it for today, and until next time, have a wonderful day. Now I look really sharp.